Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today we're going to be checking this product out. So this is it says MSXTTLY, but the way you pronounce it is MSXTTLY, I believe. So it's a wireless adapter for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So you can achieve wireless connection, upgrade your driving experience. So I like the material, like the design of it. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? It's like a carbon fiber. Looks a bit like a carbon fiber, doesn't it? So it's got 5G chip or 5 gigahertz. It's got 10-second quick connection, so it connects really fast. It also reconnects really fast as well, which is good. It's got 12-month warranty and it's compatible with 800 plus vehicles. That's pretty good, isn't it? The key to the new vision. Let's have a look on this side. Mini size. So yeah, 12-month warranty. You have to email them, give the order number, and yeah, that's how you get your help as well if you need any help. Anything else on the back? Nothing else. So yeah, it's quite small, isn't it, guys? Whereas if you look at other Android Autos and CarPlays, they're quite bulky. This one's very small, which is really a benefit, actually, really good benefit. Right, we have another sellotape here. I just open it from the bottom since I've took that one off. Yeah, might as well. Alright guys, wow, that is very small. Ooh, quite a few things in there. Let's have a look. Yeah. This is a sponsored video, by the way, so thank you MSXTTLY for sending this out. Really appreciate it. It's like the business card. There's a bit dust on the top, I don't know why. Okay, so yeah, let's fold that. There you go. MSXTTLY. If you purchase this, okay. Yeah, it's like a little business card. There you go, guys. Pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, so you have a 3M if you want to mount it somewhere. There's your USB extension cable, maybe. I'll have to have a look. Right, the user manual. 2-in-1 wireless card adapter. Okay, so how do you do this? Let's figure it out. So they gave you that one if you have a normal connection. If you have a normal USB port, you use this one. If you have a USB-C port, you use that one. So you have both cables, which is pretty good because now I can use it on 2 cars. I thought it was just this one that they're gonna give, but they gave this USB-C one. So that's for your newer cars. So I can use that on a Ford as well that I have, and on this one I can use it on my Golf. So yeah, that's pretty good. Okay guys, so it should just be plug and play, to be honest. So after starting the car, ensure that the radio is on. Select the corresponding CarPlay connection accessory based on the type of data connection. Okay, so it's a wireless, so it'll be Bluetooth. So you connect it by Bluetooth and it'll come up like that, the smart box. Okay, so on iPhones, same thing, you just go on your Bluetooth settings and then accept and pair. Okay, and then if you have any problems here, it tells you how to fix it. Okay, yeah, so this is all troubleshooting for you guys. Can you see? Wow, very in depth. Okay, so plug into your car port, start the car and the radio, insert the adapter into your car's USB data port. Adapter comes with multiple accessories. Okay, yeah. Yeah, mode if you're having problems, everything's there. Everything they can think of is there. Look at that. Like literally Samsung, Xiaomi, anything really. They really thought about everything. It's pretty good. Here's how you do a firmware update. You have to connect to a Wi-Fi. Can you see? It tells you exactly how to do everything. Really smart, isn't it? Alright guys, let's have a look at the device itself. Oh, here you go guys. Look how tiny that is. Now, we might not actually even need this. That's just extension, really. That's USB to USB basically. This might just be plug and play, literally. Unless you're going to use USB-C, then you'll need to plug in that one. But yeah, you don't really need this. I think you can just plug it straight into the device. So yeah, this is just the extension pretty much. So just clips in like that, bam. So that's your normal USB. But yeah, I just think that's an extension. You don't really need that. So that'll actually be even more like smaller. Literally just plug in, it'll just be out the way, and you have a nice light there that'll come up. And I love the design. It's like carbon fiber. Beautiful design, beautiful. Got a logo there, very beautiful. And let's look at the USB-C. Oh, it's a braided cable. There's your USB-C one. This one's like a higher quality cable. Can you see? Nice and braided compared to this one. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Oh, and it's a fast speed one, that one, because it's USB-C. This is a high speed one because it's a blue port. Can you see? This is just a regular USB. So yeah, that's pretty good. If you have the newer cars, you have the advantage, I guess, of the extra speed. But yeah, it's pretty decent, isn't it? Alright guys, give me 1 second. So why would you use one of these devices? Well, basically, it's to get rid of the wires, isn't it? Because it's a big hassle having those wires just hanging out and everything, and having to always plug the device in, you know what I mean? This, you could literally have it in your pocket, you know, the phone, and it'll just connect straight up. You don't need to plug in anything. It's really decent, isn't it? It's convenient. And look how small it is as well. And one advantage of this one is because what you call it, the other ones you can either pick between Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The older like different makes, different people who make it, they only do like Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Some of them do both, but they're like bulky. I've not seen anything this size yet. Like this is very small, very decent size. Look at that. If it works really well, then it's gonna be amazing, isn't it? So yeah, we'll test it out anyways. We'll go to the car. So that'll be pretty decent. So yeah, so it does have a fast auto connection within 10 seconds, which is very fast. It's got low latency, heat dissipation design, gold plated USB for faster transfers and durability, and it's got cooling vents for better heat dissipation, which yeah, it actually does. Look at that. That's crazy. That's pretty decent. I like that. They've really thought about everything, haven't they? So yeah, what do you think, guys? I say we go try this out. So I'm going to try it on the Golf, because that's my main car. If it works on the Golf, it's definitely going to work on the other car anyway. So I'm going to try it with Android Auto first, and then I might do Apple, I might do iPhone as well later. We'll see, guys. But we'll do the main one with the Android Auto first, because that's the one I used the most. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try, guys. What do you think? Oh yeah, so the car we're going to be using is a Volkswagen Golf Mark 6 2009. We could also use a Ford Fiesta. Yeah, Ford Fiesta we have as well. We could use that. That's a new plate, 21 plate. 21 plate, yeah, something like that. So we could either use that or that. We'll see, guys. And yeah, this device is called 2-in-1 mini wireless CarPlay Android Auto adapter. Alright guys, let's go ahead and try it out. Alright guys, we're in the car now. I'm gonna plug this in. So as you can see, we've been using wire all this time. Now we have this, the USB. As you can see, lights come on. There you go. Detected new device. Can you see that? Now, yeah, I'll go my Bluetooth. I'm going to search for this new device, a smart box. Okay, let's see. Does it work straight away? It actually does as well. Oh wait, Android is available. Do I need to do an update? Hopefully I don't. Oh yes, look at that. That is crazy. Look at that, guys. Wireless. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. No more wires needed. Oh wait, I have to unlock my phone, my bad. There you go. Oh, it needs me to update all the apps. 1 second, guys. Oh, I've not got internet though. Fuck. Okay guys, 1 second, guys. Let me give myself a hotspot. And then let's do an update. But yeah, it is working, as you can see. We'll try that again. Okay, let's try it again. I've got Wi-Fi now. Let's where's Android Auto? Yeah, it works pretty well. Yeah, so it's going to try updating again. Download. No internet connection. What? 1 second, guys. Now there seems to be no internet. I don't know why. Maybe I'm connected to the wrong Wi-Fi. Oh, it's connected to that by Wi-Fi now. So this is you can use this by Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It's crazy. Ah, so that's why it's 5 GHz connection. It makes sense now. Now guys, give me a second. Let all this update on. Oh my days. Alright, give me 1 second, guys. It keeps reconnecting to this when I don't want it to reconnect to this. I want to update it to use mobile data. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay guys, it's updated now. Let's hope we connected to the right Wi-Fi now. The smart box. Yes, connecting automatically. There you go, guys. Internet, that's fine. We don't need internet. Grant permissions, yes. Allow. Okay, let's do it now. So it's got all the permissions now. Should work now, hopefully. Yes, there you go, guys. So after the first initial setup, wow, look at that. That's amazing. Hey. There you go. Look at that. Wireless Android Auto. I'll get notification. Oh, it's probably for this. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Wireless Android Auto, guys. That's actually mental. I didn't think I'd see it in this lifetime. Looks there. Very beautiful, isn't it? Everything's silky smooth. As you can see. I don't know if the maps will work with. Yeah, it's not got my right location because my Wi-Fi is not on. But as you can see, everything's working really well. No issues at all. Let's go back. Have your split screen, but Spotify, I don't have internet at the moment, so Spotify is not going to work. But yeah, you have all these apps. Can you play these games? Yeah, you can. Got games as well. Everything runs very well. As you can see, oh, you need internet to run these games. So yeah, very decent. So everything works really well. You can have your WhatsApp messages come up. Again, this is a crazy device. Look how small it is as well. For this small, guys, that is absolutely mental. Look how small that is. And it makes a wireless Android Auto very easily. That's brilliant. I'm impressed, guys. Thank you for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. Really very good device. I highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. to buy it, because it is pretty good. You can see it works really well, really good, and yeah, it does connect really fast as well, as you've seen. So yeah, after the first initial setup, obviously it connects really fast. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.